Hello. I want to tell you a story. It is about a boy. His name is Daniel. Daniel grew up near the sea. Every day he walked to the water. He threw stones. He watched the waves. He dreamed of a big life, but he was afraid. One morning, he met an old fisherman. The man was fixing his net. His hands were strong. His face was quiet. Daniel said, "I want to go far, but I am scared." The fisherman looked at him. He said one short sentence, "Small boats still sail." Nothing more. No long story, no big advice. Daniel walked home, but the words stayed with him. Small boats still sail. Again and again he heard them. That week he built a tiny boat from wood. It was not perfect. The paint was messy, the sail was crooked, but it was his. He carried it to the sea. He placed it on the water. The wind pushed it forward. It moved. It really moved. Daniel smiled. His heart felt strong. He began to build bigger boats, each one better, each one stronger. Some broke, some sank, some returned with water inside, but every boat taught him something. Years later, Daniel became a sailor. He traveled to new places. He saw new skies. He met new people. And he remembered the fisherman's words, "Small boats still sail." Now I want to ask you, what is your small boat? What dream is waiting inside you? Maybe it looks too small. Maybe you feel not ready. But listen to me. Small boats still sail. Dreams can begin small. Steps can be tiny. Courage can be quiet. You do not need to be perfect today. You do not need to be great tomorrow. You only need to
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.